Alright, we have from Nana Kofi J's capacity on which we have from Nigeria, but Fenton from Mwakwa Fenton from TVGH so, and then so as our transibim, near Transi as a medical canon, now say, you bet in Ghana, Hons and some home. A ban sign a parliament of Ghana. A Mercebedum fee, baby, a Samara de Brahim ye this one. A dear some Nessigo. COVID-19, ya really by ye. You said day in, day out, parliamentarians could share. Adwendwene the next line of action ho eti enanu na koba asesa ade a ene mpanifo hu say there's a need see e be your massive testing and say e be your test ewo the say fie ho ne fie on mo test na e bae no ene yetete say mpanifo no omo akwaso mantle mu e ka say I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana my motherland no test ni do won bebre twetwe mo in fact almost bebre na dwane ofra na meba do no wadwane ofra na meba do no wadwane na we ma ye bisa se na nipa na omo asemra ana so mo tumi aso aframu say I defend the good name of Ghana na so wadwane COVID-19 testing dia na tse ye koya na se bae na samra na mo hye no mo hye de mayen na mo de edru wa no doja famra na se ana adetina wo samra se bodom ni gane COVID-19 testing nyazo wanya bio branie nhwe because there's a possibility say emre ni pe do so of course and central for ba ho apart from parliamentarians no yesanso ewo working staff on so ho secretary names PROs ne nyama day out ni pa ba ho if there's issue say we say to me testing ewo ho there adenti ene obi edwane anka no ntenkwada edidimu na I think said the asama suro no anase dwane na bamukura ye news breaking out.
What happened in parliament and what you've heard that was being said is the fact, is the truth. What happened? The understanding was that not all MPs and staff have tested.
Okay.
So are we going to create this panic so that the few that are left to test will not go forward to test? Or we are going to find a way of getting everybody to test so that we would know the scope of our challenge and how to deal with it. Perfectly, I agree with that. But once the information goes out, if you ask me, how will I have communicated or responded to that? I would have simply said that, look, we want to plead with the Ghanaian public, especially the media, in reporting this, that, look, we are not done with the testing. Please don't create panic. Let us finish the testing by Saturday. And when it becomes necessary to communicate to you on anything that has happened, we will do that. And leave it at that. But when you go out and you know that what happened is a fact, and you I don't know what the intention was, and you lie to the people that pay us, you are doing three things. You are endangering the life of the rest of the MPs. You are endangering the life of the rest of the staff. You are endangering the life of the general Ghanaian population. When they finished the testing, initially they were calling one-on-one. Then they had this discussion with us. I mean, I'm the whip on the minority side. Okay. That look, the numbers are huge. This is what we want to do. Can you put on your platform all those who do not receive call from us, who have tested for Wednesday, and by Saturday they've not received a call from us, should assume they are negative. And we'll only call those who are positive. Okay. I get it. Okay. Now, when they have tested Wednesday and Thursday, and on Wednesday, one MP and one staff tested positive. And on Thursday, one MP and 12 staff tested positive. They have to do contact tracing. They have to isolate these persons.
Has that been done?
Yes. So far as I'm concerned, yes, that has been done. And they are now continuing with the contact tracing. Because then we said, then they just understand that if you test everybody, then it automatically gives the opportunity for almost every other person around the house to be tested. And I say this, I mean, with a lot of pain, because I believe that national interest must be protected at all times.
Have you spoken to the leadership of Parliament and the Public Affairs Department after you heard that news conference?
I called the public director. I said, I've seen something signed by you because I mean today you have a lot of fake news going around. So I called and said, did you sign this? And she said, yes. I said, who told you that? And she mentioned the wrong one. I said, look, that was a lie. Why must we lie to the public?
What did she say when you told her this?
Because obviously, she will not be around the table that this will be discussed. So she will not know. To be fair to her, she will not be able to tell. But the one who told her.
Who is that?
The majority leader, of course. At least that's what she told me.
Indicated to me that you had heard that some 2 members of parliament had tested positive for COVID-19 and that some staff in the region of about 12-13 have also tested positive. And I told you I had no such information. Little did I know that one media house has set Ghana on fire by relating to the story. What we agreed to do was that anybody who tested positive, information would not be transmitted to all of us. I mean, it's between the person and the people who did the test. Some confidentiality is required in these matters. And we needed to be very circumspect. So nobody knows whether anybody has tested positive. So let's be cautious, let's be circumspect, and, stop engaging in speculative journalism. It doesn't help in these circumstances.
No baby say news no then the news no ba bonten because omo kwakwaya test we were made to understand say there will be sort of privacy governing the testing no na ye then a cop a ba bonten me ebi mu nyansantwefo bi nya say nipa mienu parliamentarians 2 some free NDC mo, some free MPP mo, some free majority mo, some free minority mo, and you and I were not there. Said the Omampani Ebediachi Alaji Baumi Abekano. So I say, and almost asked me at as a nipa 13 working stars so as I tested positive to COVID. Adena ye did no crano AC. Why na dia some bab on tene? Na dia man say Mabatana make Kabiana, Ghana Fodro na Kabi say. Nipa mienu na omonya bie no ana nipa 30 no omonya bie no eba ne sen ene news no ba abontene ene ya one eye den ene de amana ye hu kura se obi antiase do kura so aka kosi the fact say the majority leader honorable say chairman Sabonsu eye the MP for Swame constituency e de aba betudwa ono anso de mpaninse se bomotitwe free sort be catch say den chema wu a ya nyina tinye bi ko na ye emrase bedomfie no majority side ne panini apart from so e pani was experience politician what parliamentary for so many years is a ko kasam a na say e was ye gidi I mean the reason see e be gidi na was ko high but the make abusuafo me ntiase ne ehwe ne ye o no no amba say enye no koreda say obi a test positive ewo COVID mo Parliament House. Meanwhile, another person, Mubarak Muhammad Mutaka, ono so ba say I am pa nipa me na test COVID no positive and nipa 13 and so me working staffs and so are tested positive to COVID. It is a sad here. Who is telling us the truth? Because these are 2 people omunyan kwada of parliament to Mutaka onya kwada of parliament. Though eba age mu a o say chairman say nyini and a bad experience, more or such a experience, honorable or experience. But we are talking about people who are living in the Parliament House. Now, no so about 2 divided opinions. What is going on? The Nina come back to the fact say, stigmatization they attack the people living with COVID, no, and no NLP because we are not preaching that say COVID, no, sabi HIV, sabi ekunipa. And as a good penny man says in a kunukulano, nipa nya, nipa tna, nipa no mudidi. Adena COVID no, ya it say Osha Ghana crown so sabi nyamia da roma. Yeah, number of cases in nya Ghana ha. Any testing ye, and no man panika so say testing ye no nipa 228,000. Out of that no, emu 8,000 and then out of 8,000 no almost about 3,000 I recovered and a few about 2,000 plus and so and I'm quite so become out of all this is nipa 36 and a film na say enya de bia eye huhu sa and say hu kura no a ya santo mo ko wonom omo nim say omo like omo fan so mutin so mo na ehu o mesan o to the moment abaso obedi domanim say the people of Swame, the people of Aswase, the people of Nokopo, the people of Hehe me do omanim no, that means the people there no you have them at your heart. It's one mama yan testo. Now ko constituency na ko sia we be na bo ni ko fo ko hia ko checha ko so niamam na de akoye omanfo na na se eye odo na wo ma constituency no anase sebe tefa bi ewum enjoyment bi ewum tina udi animu na we nyina so mehu se sometimes no our emrasebe dofia na so mo a ye lawmakers to bia na mo ye ma ye die ho omo ho ya kakra because ade a ya so as oath of secrecy say test here ekoyi nobody will get to hear of it except the person and those who are doing the testing nti eba na sign and the news will break out the break out will make us say because I'm break out adetina mu dwane akohefa obi abramian test ni hu your status in covid no na u dwane na o bana de abaye nkofo ana enu nti ena o se Ghana fo mama ye ni da ho na ene ewia sika ya to nyansa o Ghana hasi opa hu nyansa sa de ben na woni sika na ko gina election obewini a it's about time we need to assess the people who are going to give our power to nipa na o ko gina nim no odo ena ode ko sum na oba sum nti ana VAT na mu air condition nyunyunyu no nti ena wo ko ana so nya COVID should that be the end of the world because papa usuankuma nya bi in the whole Ghana 40 papa usuankuma was a experienced politician say a big man or ambassador to Ghana's High Commission to UK eti such a person enya bi no Ghana fo nyina te dia adenti na wo bra me nya o test wo de wu dwane na ba ya kwakwaye atwetwe ebi se o omo anya bi no omfre NDC omo fre MPP mtina NDC ni abato omoto no omo anya bi no omfre MPP mtina MPP for katakata so no moma ye hu no kore no even though some swear to oath of secrecy no asamna nya aba momna meka no kore nche Ghana for say eyampa nipa mienu anya bi wa parliament ho yen hia wo mudin but just to make sure say nkofo about day out no they will be giving anase be quarantine nipa ne bi anampo kra so bi pa parliament house so yen central new so staff worker or ye de be we need to take them through a processor emma kwan mo obi nso mfa bi nko follow bi sabe ya Ghana yegusu ayeko yenim no ye mo say ye okono ayeko concerning COVID no even our mrashebedom fie anase our lawmakers are solidly behind us ense ye Ghana ebasa na say sikana womu no ana tefa no ani je na womu nti ena mokokota mrashebedom fie mu hono eti honorable Oseche Mensah-Bonsu come out and declare the state of yebisa mame refinding Speaker of PRO to the Parliament House. Mamene ba ya so news na babonten no na nkansa seba. Na so tse no kure bi wo ho e wo se yete. Men so mo de tete. Adete wo se de tete. So obi anya COVID ni bo Parliament House a ni hu a eye no. Ehu because nipa no do so wonte omunya de ne anka nyina no asema to yen. But enutia mo nsam ye hu no kure se bia nkofon spread wild rumors and nkofon spread fear rather than calm. Bidina na Kofi Ejeskapa aram du besie ebrepa be say share bi but on sang nyaka video pa subscribe to the channel no share man kofo comment wadwen on say na nsu hunifa ne nyina ntum Ghana na nya kodo stay safe ya wash onsa under running water na bomodian say sanitizer no di be ye yon sa ho the first year bi churches no enso nche say osofo koso obi maso na koye pie kokotete ne so bi agu no so we are all Christians but this is not the time we are not in normal days yenu sampa opese waso mehu so wabene no enya pieko de chese wabene se be ya yade nyensan konko spreading the more ebasa ahwa na the total lockdown kwa ebeka ne asoro kra no ye nyina yentum monko na monfa mra nso nko ye adwuma na Ghana emfa no ntoma pa emfra medi na Kofi Ejeskapa makra ebese hia biem